Practicing simple questions and answers. Common question words. What is used to ask for things or activities. For example, what is your name? What do you like to eat? Where? To ask about places. Where do you live? Where are you from? When is used to ask about time. When is your birthday? When do you go to work? Who is used to ask about people. Who is your teacher? Who do you live with? How is used to ask about ways or feelings. How are you? How do you go to school? Why is used to ask about reasons. Why do you like reading? Why are you happy? Simple questions and answers. Personal information. What is your name? My name is. Where are you from? I'm from. How old are you? I'm years old. Where do you live? I live in. Daily life or hobbies. What do you do? I am a. What do you like to do? I like. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. And you? Do you like? Yes, I do. Or no, I don't. Practice dialogues. Hello, what is your name? Hi, my name is Maria. Where are you from? I'm from Vancouver. Dialogue 2. How are you today? I'm fine, thank you. How are you? I'm good. What do you like to do? I like reading and walking.